I just wanted to take a minute and unpack the 2018 Spring Enrollment Kit with you guys. This is our $99 kit option, and everything you see in here comes with that $99 kit, plus business supplies will come with it too. A pack of catalogs and mini catalogs and order forms and all that stuff to help you get your business started this spring. So this is the brand new kit. As a leader, if I have 6 months to qualify to be able to earn this and purchase this brand new kit with updated all the updated things in it. And so I got to pick which one I wanted. And these are your two options, which is the bright and bold one, which is this one right here, or over here is the neutral, the black and white one. And I went with this one because I just tend to like neutrals and black and white. So, okay, here we go. I just arrived today, and I undid the bottom part of the box. And here we go. So it always comes, this is what it looks like, and on the back it tells you everything that you're getting in the kit and the description and how much it costs and everything that you might want to know about the kit. And then, okay, so it always comes, of course, with a large utility tote, which is our #1 seller. This right here is the top to the large utility tote. The top of tote. These run for $10, but I love this. You just slip the handles of the large utility tote right through here, and this has elastic on the sides, and it just pops right over, and it provides you with safe and secure storage for whatever's inside your large utility tote. Makes it really great to go to the beach. You can see that. Keeps your stuff warm and dry. And also, a lot of people use these large utility totes in your closets to store clothes or sheets and towels and stuff like that. So the top just makes it really, keeps the contents safe in it, maybe from dust or sand if you're at the beach, or water if it happens to start raining at your picnic. So, so it always comes to the top. So this, like I said, is 10. This is a black one because I got the black large utility tote, and it says I Love 31 on it, and this is in our new Dandelion Dream print. I think that's what it's called. So I love this. If you don't know that they're dandelions, how fun would it be to color these like fireworks? I'm thinking like a 4th of July party, right? And color all these with Sharpies, like different color fireworks. That would be really fun. But the dandelion print is so fun. Okay. So it comes with all this stuff. All right, so let's see what else we got. We have a fold and file. Retails for $25. This is in the charcoal crosshatch. Hi, Heather. Yes, the dandelion print. I love these things. I have one sitting on my kitchen counter right now holding files. And that's where we filed our bills and our coupons and the kids' important papers and stuff like that. But I love it. It looks classy. You can move it around from room to room. There's so many uses for these things. The pockets on the front are awesome. They also fit in our zip top organizing utility tote, which is in here. I'll get the new one out. But I always have one. Ooh, here it is. This is in the Diddy Dot, it's called. This is the zip top organizing utility tote. This is like our #2 seller. It has the 3 pockets. Yeah! Oh, you have 3 of them? Okay, so here's our zip top. Here's our fold and file. Oh, it smells new. Looks so weird. There! Look at that. And now your zip top organizing utility tote also stands up tall. Heather's a teacher. She carries her papers back and forth to school. And this guy. And it's got pockets on the side. So that was part of the kit too. So now I have like a whole set to be able to show at my parties. Okay, it also comes with a pillowcase. This is one of our new pillowcase designs. I can't remember what it's called though. I think it's called Hearts or something like that. So I just need to get the insert to go in it. But it has different hearts, and this one is specific to 31. It says our sisterhood. It says celebrate, encourage, reward. And then it's got a whole bunch of little hearts that say different things. But if you want to get a print like this, you can add, I can't remember how many hearts you can have because this is new. But you can get a bunch of different colored hearts with like names on them. So imagine like a grandma pillow. Fill it with all the grandkids' names on it. And then have all the kids maybe like use handprints or sign their names to the back. That would be so fun. So that's one of our new statement canvas pillows. So that was in the kit. Okay, what else we got? So the kit, like I said, it's always $99, and it's always, the retail stuff in it is always over $350. But it's always our top sellers. So only usually a couple of things vary in it, depending on which kit you get and then which year you get it. But you'll see that all the items that I'm pulling out are all of our top items that you want. And it's always a sample. It's a sample of different prints, and it's a sample of the different styles. And so if you're a 31 consultant, having the kit is awesome because it really does set you up to be able to show everything and have a sample of everything. So this is our charcoal crosshatch cinch sack with the new dandelion embroidery on it. How cute is that? And this is actually a monogram one, so you can put 2 initials on either side, or you can leave it plain. So I just love that dandelion. It's so sweet. So that's our cinch sack. So this is like a $28 retail. This is $20 and the monogram is $8. That statement canvas pillow is $35. Okay, this is one of our most popular lunch totes. Certainly has been around the longest. It's just our standard thermal tote. That's cute. It says refuel on it. But this is the dandelion diddy dot one. So how cute is that? I love the classiness of a black and white print, but it's still fun. So that's one of our most popular lunch boxes. This only, plus this is a $26 item, but a thermal tote's only $18. And you just cannot get a really nice thermal tote for, you know, anything close to that, I think. So anyway. Awesome. What else? Double duty caddy and the diddy dot. The diddy dot sounds really funny. I love me some double duty caddies. And I'm really liking this black and white print. So cute. So this is a $25 item. It's got the pockets on the sides. I use these for so many different things. I like to put solo cups in here and then put silverware in them, and then I always have our plastic silverware ready to go whenever we have company or something that we need plastic silverware for. I have them floating around my office for thank you cards and different types of supplies. I have one in the car to help me organize pens and papers that end up in my car. I love using these in the kitchen to hold my Tupperware lids. I have 2. And these things will get really big, and I'll stretch it out really far because you always end up with too much Tupperware, right? And so I organize all the lids in the double duty caddy. Okay, what else? What else? Ooh, this is new. This is new. This is called the Retro Metro Hobo Crossbody. And this is in the twill stripe. Oh, this is really fun. So this is casual, and I love me a crossbody. Oh, it's like so easy to get in and out of. Oh, it's just like there's just 2 pockets and then a zipper pocket. That's really cute. That's just really cute. So that's the the Retro Metro Hobo bag thingy. That's awesome. And that comes in a few different prints. It comes in the new Fab Flourish print that's around here somewhere. And the new denim which I have out there. You know, that cute. It's slouchy. It's comfortable. You can stuff it with as much as you want in it. Anyway, I think that's going to be super popular this spring. And then you also get a mini zipper pouch and the Diddy dot, and in our cute pink gives heart, and it says my why on it, because the idea is, as a 31 consultant, you would fill this with things that remind you of why you're a 31 consultant, why you're partying, why you're doing this. So I like to put pictures and stuff like that and tell my story. Okay, and last but not least is a brand new All About the Benjamins. And this one is it's called Calypso Coral Pebble. Look at that. That is really pretty. And then it also comes with a wristlet, the matching wristlet to go with it. How great. Okay, so as you can see, this kit provides you with everything that you need. A sample from, all the different aspects of our catalog, from organizing your home to on the go with lunches, on the go with your family, personal stuff, a purse to show off, cinch sack for the kids, pillow for your home, and then that on the go Zout, and the home with the double duty caddy. So, hey Heather. So it's a great investment. The $99 is huge. And we also just got some really big news today. We're still sifting through what it's going to mean for us consultants. But it's really exciting for those wanting to sign up, and especially if you're just like me, you like to sign up for direct sales companies and get the discount. So message me if you're interested in hearing about that. But it is, I think, going to be an awesome option for those that maybe don't want to do the party thing, but either want to get the discount for themselves or maybe would like to take orders from family and friends. And I'll tell you all about it. And especially if you just sign up for $1 right now, you can either get all this that I just showed you for $99, including business supplies, everything you need to get going. Or you can sign up for the $1 right now. And with that $1, there's no kit, there's no business supplies, except what I might send you because I care about you. And I want you to at least have a couple catalogs. But with the $1 enrollment, you could always sign up and then decide later that you would like to pursue it and you'd like to get a kit. So you can sign up for $1, check it out, see what it's like, and then you can purchase a kit. I'm pretty sure for at least a year, up to a year, after you sign up for that $1. So you can even, if you don't want to get this kit, maybe you want to get the fall kit in the summer. So that's a great option too. So signing up for $1 is doesn't mean that you have to choose between getting the kit and not getting the kit. You can always get the kit later. You can sign up right now for $1 and test it out, and then get the kit later. So same price, $99 either way. So if you're interested in hearing more about some of the stuff we learned today, let me know, and we'll start a conversation. And that's about it. Thanks for opening the kit with me. I also got the add-on kit, which is a perk of being a consultant. We can get a few new items at a really deep discount, just so we have stuff for the new catalog if we want them. And maybe I'll open that up. Or I did open it up already because I couldn't wait. I'll show you guys that later because it's got a few different prints that we haven't seen yet. And that, especially that retro hobo bag in that denim print, which is really cool. And a brand new beach bag, which I think everyone is going to really, really be excited about, especially if you have kids. Beach bag or pool bag or lake bag. It's got a spot for toys, and the water will drain out, and it's a thermal. So awesome. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.